Before airplanes ruled the sky, armies floated spies. Not drones, not satellites, balloons. Please subscribe if you love surprising slices of history like this, because today I'm going up, literally, into the world of World War I observation balloons. Here's the hook. The deadliest weapon on the Western Front wasn't always the machine gun. It was artillery, and the best way to make artillery terrifyingly accurate was a person in a basket, hanging under a gas bag, with a map and a telephone. Observation balloons were tethered to the ground with a cable and a winch. Fill them with hydrogen, reel them up a few hundred to 1,000 meters. From there, an observer could spot enemy trenches, spot gun flashes, spot moving columns. Then they'd call corrections down the cable, literally a field telephone line running through the tether. This is the reveal. Directing fire became a science. The observer would mark a grid square on a map, give a clock direction and distance, watch the shell burst and adjust. Left 100, add 200, until rounds were right on target. Registration, which once took ages, sped up. Creeping barrages could walk forward with the infantry, because someone above could keep the guns on track. The balloons themselves evolved fast. Simple spheres swung in the wind, so armies switched to kite balloons like the French Caquot and the German Drachen, with tail fins to stay steady. They carried binoculars, later cameras, sometimes even small radios, but that sturdy telephone line stayed the gold standard. And yes, they were vulnerable. Hydrogen burns. So the other side sent balloon busters, pilots with incendiary bullets, and, early on, unguided Leperrier rockets, to set them ablaze. That's why balloon crews were among the first to use parachutes regularly. When fighters dove in, observers jumped. On the ground, winch teams hauled the balloon down under fire, throwing up smoke screens to hide it. Countermeasures became an art. Camouflage nets, dummy batteries, fake roads, and decoy flashes tried to trick the watcher in the sky. But as long as the weather cooperated and the cable held, the balloon turned artillery from guesswork into precision. Here's the payoff. This old tech never really went away. Modern militaries still use tethered aerostats for border watch and radar pickets. The principle is the same. Get high, stay stable, see far, and feed data straight to the guns or the network. So the next time you see footage of a drone strike or a satellite image, remember, a century ago, the kill chain often started with a person in a wicker basket, pencil on a map, shouting corrections into a phone. If that made you look up, literally and historically, tap subscribe. I've got more.